Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we were doing exercise. Convert into minutes. Students, in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So, students, when we convert hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60 because in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, first question is, second question, part first, A, that is 8 hours. Now, students, convert 8 hours into minutes. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, simple 60 multiplied by 8. In rough side, 480. 60 multiplied by 8 is 480. So, students, in 8 hours, we have 480 minutes. Answer is 480 minutes. Clear, students? Now, B part. 12 hours, 60 multiplied by 12. In rough side, 60 multiplied by 12. In first step, we will multiply by 2. 6 2 are 12. Now multiply by 1. 0 6 0 2 7 720. So in 12 hours, we have 720 minutes. 720 minutes. Next is C part. 24 hours, 60 multiplied by 24. Now 60 multiplied by 24. In first step, we will multiply by 4. 6 4 are 24. Now multiply by 2. 0 4 4 1. Now your answer is 1440. So students, in 12 hours we have 1440 minutes. Minutes. This is part C. Now students, part D. In part D we have 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Students, in this in part D, first we will convert 4 hours into minutes. In first step, we will convert 4 hours into minutes. Then add 10 as it is because 10 minutes already in minutes. So 60 multiplied by 4 plus 10. Convert 4 hours into minutes and add 10 minutes. Now 60 multiplied by 4, 240 plus 10 is equal to 250. So in 4 hours 10 minutes we have 250 minutes. Part E. Next is 6 hours and 50 minutes. 6 hours 50 sorry 60 minutes. In first step, we will convert 6 hours into minutes, then add 50 minutes. 60 multiplied by 6 plus 50. 60 multiplied by 6, 360 plus 50 is equal to 360 plus 50, 410. So students, in 6 hours 50 minutes we have 410 minutes. This is the second question. Part A, B, C, D and E. Next is part F. Part F is 11 hours and 25 minutes. 11 hours and 25 minutes. 60 multiplied by 11 plus 25. 60 multiplied by 11, 06, 06, 660. Add 25. 660 plus 25, 685 minutes. Next is 14 hours and 5 minutes. 14 hours and 5 minutes. 60. First we will convert 14 hours into minutes. So 60 multiplied by 14 plus 5. 60 multiplied by 14, 0. Now multiply by 1, 0, 6. Now add 5. 60 multiplied by 14, we have 840. Plus 5, 845. So students, in 14 hours, 5 minutes, we have 845 minutes. So answer is 845 minutes. Next is part H. 16 hours and 30 minutes. 16 hours, 30 minutes. 60 multiplied by 16 plus 30. 60 multiplied by 16. First we will multiply by 6. 0, 6, 6 are 36. Now multiply by 1. 0, 6, 9. 960. Now students add 30. We have 690. So students, in 16 hours and 30 minutes, we have 990 minutes. Next is part I. 20 hours and 20 minutes. 20 hours and 20 minutes. 60 multiplied by 20 plus 20. Now 60 multiplied by 20, 6 to 12, 1200 plus 20, 1220. So students, in 20 hours and 20 minutes, we have 1220 minutes. So this is part F, G, H, and I. Now students, second question is complete. Now we will start third question of this exercise. Third question is convert into seconds. Question number third is convert into seconds. Seconds. So students, now we'll convert into seconds. As you know, in 1 hour we have 60 minutes, and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So students, when we will convert minutes into seconds, so we will multiply by 60. Now we're starting third question, part A. 16 minutes. Now convert 16 minutes into seconds. Simply 60 multiply by 16. So in rough side, we will multiply 60 multiplied by 16, 0, 6, 6 are 36. Now multiply by 1, 0, 6, 0, 6, 9. So answer is 960. So students, in 16 minutes, we have 960 seconds. 960 seconds. Clear, students? Now, part B. Part B is 23 minutes. 23 minutes. Now convert 23 minutes into seconds. 60 multiplied by 23. So students, in rough side, multiply 60 multiplied by 23. 3 6 are 18. Now multiply by 2, 0, 6 2 are 12. 0, 8, 3, 1. So we have 1380 seconds. In 23 minutes, we have 1380 seconds. So, student, this is part A and B of third question. Now, part C. Third question, part C. Now we have 6 minutes and 45 seconds. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. In first step, we will convert 6 minutes into seconds. Then we will plus 45 seconds. Minutes into seconds. So simply 60 multiply by 6. Then add 45. Clear, students? Now multiply 60 by 6. We have 360. 60 multiplied by 6 is 360 plus 45. 5, 0 and 4. So students, in 6 minutes 45 seconds, we have 405 seconds. 405 seconds. Next is part D. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 8 minutes 30 seconds. So in first step, we will convert 8 minutes into seconds. 60 multiply by 8 plus 30. So students, 60 multiply by 8, 8 6 are 45, 480. Then add 30, 480 plus 30, 510. So in 8 minutes and 30 seconds, we have 510 seconds. Clear, students? Now next is part E. 10 minutes and 16 seconds. 10 minutes and 16 seconds. First, we'll convert 10 minutes into seconds. 60 multiply by 10, then add 16. 60 multiplied by 10 is 600. Plus 16 is equal to 616. So students, in 10 minutes 16 seconds we have 616 seconds. Now students, last part of this question, part F. Now our statement is 5 hours. So students, in part A to E, we will convert minutes into seconds. So in last part, we will convert 5 hours into seconds. For this students, in first step, we will convert our hours into minutes. In first we will convert hours into minutes. First steps, hours into minutes. In second step, we will convert minutes into seconds. Clear, students? So in first step, convert 5 hours into minutes. For this, students, we will convert 60 by 5, because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. 5 hours, 60 multiplied by 5 is 6 5 30, 300. Now students, we have 300 minutes. Now students, convert minutes into seconds. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds. In 300 minutes, 300 multiplied by 60. So students, multiply. 6 3 are 18. 1 2 and 3. You can multiply in the rough side. 300 by 60. First 0 0 0 0. Then multiply by 6. 0 0 6 3 are 18. So we have 18,000 seconds. So students, in 5 hours we have 18,000 seconds. So student, this is the last question of this exercise. Yes, students. Today your homework is complete exercise 65 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.